Amazon pays over $143 billion revenue to the people that promote their products. Do you want to be a part of them? It's left for you. This is a cool side hustle that I can guarantee you that it's going to make you to almost drop your 9 to 5. Some of us will say that, oh, Amazon pays little commission. Little do you know that there are some secret ways you can make $200 per day and even $1,000 in a month or more than that. The first step we need to do is to register as an Amazon affiliate program, which is called the Amazon Associate Program. So in today's video, I'm going to be enlightening us on how to set up this Amazon affiliate program. Without any further ado, let's dive straight to the main tutorials for today. So you come to Google and you just type on the Google search like Amazon Associates. So you click on the first link, which is Amazon Associate affiliate program.amazon.com. Then you click here. So you will get something like this. You get something like this. And it says Amazon Associates Amazon Affiliate Marketing Program. Welcome to the largest affiliate marketing program in the world. The Amazon program has helped content creators, publishers, and bloggers monetize their traffic. With millions of products and programs available on Amazon, associates use EasyLink building tools to direct their audience to their recommendation and earn from qualifying purchases and program. So this is a nice program that I would encourage us to sign up for if you're looking for a side hustle or a passive income to join. This is a very good one. So you click on sign up, and I'm not going to be going deep into this. So right here, if you sign up, if you don't have Amazon account, you can always create an Amazon account. But if you have an Amazon account, you use one Amazon account. Note, you don't have to sign up using different accounts. Amazon is going to block you. So you use the account you'll be using to shop all this while on Amazon. So I'm just going to be talking about the steps to take after signing up. Like now, if I click on continue, because I'm already part of Amazon Associate, it's going to link direct me to my account. When you sign up for your Amazon or you have a login already, it's going to direct you to the Amazon Associates, right? So let's just continue. You fill it up, you put your address here, and who is the main contact of this account. So you say the payee, which is you, then you click on next. Just follow the procedure. Then here you're going to they're going to ask you to put your website, your phone number, your if you're using any mobile app. Okay. So yeah, if you want to use your website, at least you must have written you should before you could get approved using your website, you must have written close to like 25 articles, between 10 to 25 articles or more than that, and you've sold some stuff on the website. So mostly you can also use your YouTube channel. You can use I'm going to stop here because I'm not going to fill this because I already signed up for it. It's not going to take me to the next page, except I want to try because I don't want anything to tamper with my account. So let me just put I think I remember the website I put. Instead of this, let's continue. So I'm going to add this, right? So it's going to ask me for next. And any of the traffic source above direct primarily at children under 18? No. The answer is no. So you click on no. You confirm, then this place you write your preferred associate's ID. You can put your name, your brand name, etc. I use my brand name, which is Tech with Bumi. Then tell us about your content you want to create. So you give them the type of content you want to create. Just put a summary here, right? Then here you include which of the following best describe your content: blog, content niche. Then you can click on anyone that suits you, but mine is blog and content or niche websites, right? Then how did you hear about us? Online search, okay? Or word of the man, you click the one. So for them not to know that you're not a robot, right? You're going to you're going to fill in this, right? Then after you fill in this, you would agree to the terms and conditions of the associate program operating agreement. Then you click on finish. I don't want to end it because I'm using the same email. I don't want to tamper with my associate account. So I'm going to end it. So you can either use your YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and your blog to sign up, and Facebook, your Facebook business page. You can also use your Facebook business page. So the good part of this associates link is that it tells you immediately if you are approved or you're not approved. So if you try your Instagram account and it's not approved, you can also use your TikTok account. Anyone, you can do some tests. Anyone that gets approved, then you use it. So that's how it is. Then when you click on the finish button, it's going to tell you congratulations. You've been in the associate Amazon associate, or it's going to deny it. Okay. So my next step now is that I'm going to be telling you how you're going to make sales. For you to get approved with Amazon Associates, you have to sell 3 products under 180 days. Okay? If you do not sell 3 products under that 180 days, you will be disqualified. You will not be, your Amazon Associates link will be disabled. So now my next step is I'm going to show you how to get your Amazon link. So when you get a congratulation message that you've been approved, right? Not like semi-approved, right? You can start selling products, or you can start promoting products with the Amazon link, which I'm going to be showing you shortly. So this is my Amazon site, the Amazon website, www.amazon.com. If everything is done rightly, you should be getting something like this on your dashboard. And there's what is called the site stripe. When you click on this site stripe, it will enable you to get your links for promotion. As you can see, for this month, someone ordered like 5 items. I don't know the person through my promotions, and my earnings here is $6.10 USD. Okay, so you come here to Site Stripe. So when you click on Site Stripe, you come to Learn More. Okay, you come to Learn More, and if your display status is not enabled, you try to enable it. Okay, it will enable you, it will allow you to get links and to share. So now I'm going to show you an example of what you want to share right now. So now when you come to your Amazon website, you're going to be showing, you can search by searching your favorite products, right? But our next event is, let's say, Halloween. Halloween is coming up. So if you want some Halloween decorations, you come here and you click on Halloween. Then you can search some products you want regarding Halloween, right? This is just an example of how to get your link. Okay, then you click on this button. This is it. So coming over to this place, as you can see, get link. Okay, so it has actually changed. Sometimes it's always at the upper end here, but it says get link. So you get your link, and most of the time I usually use this short link, but it depends on you. As you can see, short link is so short and nice, but this is a full link. Sometimes you will need your full link for some stuff. I will tell you what to use for this full link in my next video. Okay, so kindly subscribe, like, and share this video so you don't miss my next upcoming videos. So now this is how to get your link. So I'll go back to Shorts, and I'm going to copy this link, right? I'll copy this link. I would I will highlight it and it will say copy. So I can screenshot this picture, this product. I will screenshot it and I can post it on my status on WhatsApp. I can post it on my social media and too. I can write an article on it and I can make videos on it. And I would just advise TikTok is one of the best way you can start this affiliate marketing. If you don't have any platform, any social platform, I would encourage you to use TikTok first. Then you can now decide to start using YouTube. Okay? So let's check another product. As you can see, Prime Day is coming up in 2 hours time. Okay, so you can make money with this 100%. So let's check out this kitchen items. So if I want to get the link, I'll just come here and I'll click on get link and it's going to give me this link. If I click on this link, this is my unique link. So this is the link that you're going to be selling and you're going to be making money with. Okay, so if I click on it and I put it, and you can see it brought me to this link. So my subsequent video, I'm going to be telling you where you can sell this link, how you can make your design, the flyers, and just stick to this channel and join the tech family. And I'm going to show you how to make money with Amazon Associates.
Tech lovers, I bring us good news today. Do you want to get the good news? I'm going to be introducing Mommy Premier School, okay? And this school is a mentorship school where I'm going to be mentoring everyone that wants to know about affiliate marketing. Yes, I said it. You want to know about affiliate marketing, any part of affiliate marketing. I believe a lot of us, we want someone that can mentor you, to guide you, and show you how to make this money in a legit way. So sign up for my membership class. It's a one-time membership. You have full access to me and you can ask me all your questions whatsoever. I'm going to be expecting you to sign up and join my community to get to know me better. The link for the sign up to join the Mommy Premier School is going to be in the link in my bio, or you can check my description box, okay? So it's a free ticket for you to be able to join this class. You have the privilege to learn more or to know more about affiliate marketing, and you're going to scale in business. And I'm going to also tell you other things, some other bonuses I'm going to be giving you that I'm not going to split out in this video. So I would encourage you to run now and sign up for this school or for this membership class. Thank you. Bye for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorials. So do you have any question regarding this affiliate marketing with Amazon? It's cool money. I have a lot of secret ways you can make money with Amazon. And all you need to do is just subscribe to this channel, like this video, send this video to somebody that needs it, and help me to reach 10,000 subscribers. Okay? And in my next video, I'm going to be telling us how to create your storefront. I'm going to be splitting out the secret ways you can make money with Amazon. I believe you don't want to miss this series. Okay? So subscribe now and turn on your bell notification and stay tuned with Tech with Bumi. So see you in my next video and bye for now.